This is the AI News Flash for May 18, 4 a.m. UTC. First up, ride-hailing giant Uber has burned through its entire 2026 AI budget in just 4 months, driven by explosive Claude Code adoption across its engineering organization. According to a Forbes exclusive report, Uber consumed its full annual AI coding budget in 4 months and rapidly approved additional budget allocations. Claude Code has become the standard tool across its 30,000-plus engineering organization, fully transitioning to AI agent-driven development, covering code generation, test automation, and refactoring. This validates Anthropic surpassing $30 billion in ARR and Claude Code's dominant share in the enterprise development market. The AI coding market, which includes GitHub Copilot, Cursor, and Codex, has reached a decisive phase where Claude's lead is becoming definitive. This aligns with the $725 billion hyperscaler CapEx boom and over 80% of Fortune 500 companies integrating Anthropic Claude. The software engineering industry has formally moved to an AI agent-first productivity paradigm, marking a turning point where quarterly AI budget reviews become standard practice. Second story. A landmark Harvard University study has demonstrated that AI is fundamentally reshaping labor market demand structures and significantly boosting demand for creative roles, providing crucial counter-evidence to AI entry-level job elimination narratives. The study shows that while routine cognitive task demand has declined, demand for creative problem-solving, strategic decision-making, and complex interpersonal communication roles is growing faster than expected. New specialized categories, including AI content quality control, AI agent design and operation, and AI output verification are also rapidly expanding. This contrasts with Goldman Sachs' prediction of 300 million jobs at AI automation risk globally, the cumulative 156,000-plus AI-related layoffs, and white-collar structural collapse at Block, Salesforce, and HSBC, providing academic backing for an optimistic employment transformation thesis. Amid Z generation, 60% shifting to skilled trades, IBM tripling new graduate hiring, and Boston Public Schools mandating AI literacy, this groundbreaking data suggests the arrival of a creativity premium era. It will directly influence AI employment policy debates in the 2026 U.S. midterms. Third story. Top global business schools are shifting dramatically beyond AI basics toward genuine AI, human collaboration skills, education paradigms. Financial Times reports a decisive transformation in higher education, AI strategy. Harvard Business School, Stanford GSB, Wharton, INSEAD, and London Business School have launched comprehensive curriculum overhauls. Beyond mere tool usage, they're systematically teaching hybrid working skills where AI agents and humans collaborate on decision-making, strategy formulation, and leadership. This aligns with the California Bar mandating AI law education and Yale University Daily News surveys showing 91% of seniors using AI for coursework. As AI automates entry-level consulting work, financial analysis, and market research, redefining MBA graduate market value has become urgent. McKinsey, BCG, Bain, and Accenture have made AI collaboration competency mandatory for new hires, making AI-era leadership pipeline construction the top strategic priority for business schools. Elite educational institutions' AI adaptation speed will determine national intellectual competitiveness in a historic transition. Fourth story. Global BPO leader Genpact's Q1 2026 results beat revenue estimates, reporting AI-led growth, 24% surge in advanced technology segment, and record-high client pipeline. Genpact announced that agentic AI solutions drove the advanced technology segment's rapid growth and built record-high client pipelines. AI agents are now fully integrated across finance, procurement, HR, customer operations, and supply chain management, accelerating the transition from traditional per-headcount billing to outcome-based and AI agent unit billing models. As India's $300 billion IT outsourcing industry faces existential AI-era threats, Genpact stock surged post-earnings, drawing attention as a successful AI transformation case for global BPO. It exemplifies competitive advantage over TCS, Infosys, and Wipro's AI strategy lag. This is the first major earnings-level confirmation of the rapid OpenClaw open-source agent framework adoption, hundreds-fold agentic token consumption expansion, and AI agent enterprise deployment trends. The BPO industry's AI agent era winners and losers bifurcation has reached a decisive phase. Fifth story. AI demand explosion has exceeded existing data center retrofit capabilities, reaching a structural phase where AI infrastructure needs can only be met through new construction. Data center knowledge details a serious bottleneck emergence. The report indicates that existing data center facilities' rack density, power supply capacity, cooling infrastructure, and networking bandwidth all face physical retrofit difficulties meeting AI workload requirements. NVIDIA Blackwell generation GPUs demand over 120 kilowatts per rack, dramatically exceeding the traditional 5 to 20 kilowatt standard, an unprecedented power density. As a result, AI infrastructure expansion has become exclusively dependent on new hyperscale construction. The $725 billion hyperscaler capex boom, Meta's Hyperion, Google's massive AI campuses, Amazon's Indiana data center clusters, and Microsoft's massive AI data centers are all responses to this structural constraint. Resident opposition in New Jersey, North Carolina, Maine, Virginia, and Georgia, legislative moratorium bills, political backlash against AI power demand, and IEA's 2030 projection of 1,100 terawatt-hours data center electricity consumption equivalent to Japan's entire national consumption, deepen the geopolitical risks and social license problems. The biggest bottleneck of the AI boom's second phase is now confirmed to be data center construction capacity. That's all for this AI News Flash.